Hello students, class 9. Today we are going to do question number 3 of exercise 5.1. Okay, so question number 3 is consider two postulates given below. Number 1 is given any two distinct points A and B, there exists a third point C which is in between A and B. Number 2 is there exist at least 3 points that are not on the same line. Do these postulates contain any undefined terms? Are these postulates consistent? Do they follow from Euclid's postulates? Explain. Yes, students, I want to tell you there are various undefined terms in these two postulates. Okay, and these postulates are consistent because they refer to two different situations. Okay, now I will tell you how they are consistent. Number 1 is saying given any two distinct points A and B, there exists a third point C which is in between A and B. And number 2 is saying the third point is not lying on the same line. Okay, I am explaining you. At first I will write here exercise 5.1, question number 3. Okay, there are various undefined terms. In the given postulates, these postulates are consistent because they refer to two distinct means different, or we can also write different. Okay, two different situations. Okay, so now I will explain you how. In first postulate, A and B are given points and C lies between A and B. Means we have 2 points A and another is B, and between A and B their point C lies. Okay, so the first postulate is saying this one. Now second, in second postulate, A and B are given points and third point does not lie in between A and B. Okay, means suppose we have any 2 points A and B. Okay, and the third point suppose we have any D. So that is not lying on this same line. Suppose that is lying outside of this line. Okay, so that's saying postulate number 2. And the next question is, do these postulates contain any undefined terms? Okay, we solve this question. Are these postulates consistent? We solve this question. Yes, they are consistent. After that, do they follow from Euclid's postulate? Do they follow from Euclid's postulates? No. I will say these postulates do not follow from Euclid's postulates, but these two postulates follow Euclid's axiom. Okay, axiom 5.1. According to axiom 5.1, given two distinct points, there is unique line that passes through them. I think we discussed this thing. So we will write here. These two postulates does not follow Euclid's postulates, but they follow Euclid's axiom. Okay, according to axiom 5.1, given two distinct points, there is unique line that passes through them. Means we have discussed in axiom 5.1, there is only unique line that can exist between 2 points. Okay, so these two postulates follow Euclid's axiom. Okay, so I think you understood the question number 3 of exercise 5.1.